answering one or both of these questions. Number one is, how does your perfect website help with branded search? And question two is, how does branded search tie in with your perfect website? Either, both. Off you go, Will.
Interesting. Okay. So what's important is that your website speaks to the person who's landed on it. And if you know where that person's landing on it, you can tailor that experience. So if I do a search for a brand or for maybe a brand's product, if you've done your work right on the SEO side, or even it could be the paid ad side, you could tailor that experience to me, knowing that I'm familiar with your brand.
Brilliant.
And the education that I need on that page is going to be different. And then this is going to get quite granular because it depends on what the search is. Because there's always on the B2C side, we talk about informational and transactional search terms, which can still apply to a brand, right? It could be, what have I bought? I got a Ninja food processor recently because I like to cook. So one of my searches could be how does the Ninja food processor work, or what options does the Ninja food processor have? And that should be a different search result to buy Ninja food processor. You've got, and I obviously know the brand. This is something I would test, obviously. This is just a theory, but arguably, if I search for buy Ninja food processor, you could put a much lower focus on social proof because I know the brand. For some reason, I've decided that's the food processor I want. That's a theory. It could be me saying I've heard of Ninja, so I'll just do a search.